Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to check WordPress version from cPanel. So at first go to your cPanel and then search File Manager. Click on File Manager. Now go to your website folder. Here you will find WP includes. Click on it. Here scroll down and search version.php. Here click on edit and also click on edit. Here you can see the output. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.